Hello everyone, my name is Devanshu and this is my team's project video proposal. We're going to be looking at specifically League of Legends through the esports angle. League of Legends is a game where two teams, 5v5, take objectives known as Baron, Herald, and Dragon to make themselves stronger in order to take the enemy team's turrets, eventually reaching the enemy's nexus and destroying it. Betting is enormous in the League of Legends scene and is done to predict who is going to win the game. Current research shows that this can be done at 2 points in the game: pre-game betting and in-game predictions. In-game predictions take into account a plethora of different factors like who's ahead in the game in gold, who has more kills, and which team has more objectives. But pre-game predictions only look at draft, the team's matchups, and the actual players involved. Our problem definition will be to look at 2 points in the game, right after the draft has occurred and 10 different champions have been chosen, and then at 15 minutes into the game. 15 minutes was chosen because 10 minutes through our literature review was shown to be too early on, as you don't have enough information about the game state to determine the game's winner. 15 minutes is also the in-game delineation between the early game and mid-game transition. The drafting phase occurs, and then we will create a prediction model, and then at 15 minutes we'll freeze frame the game and create a prediction model. Our methods that we'll be using to help determine the win state of these two teams, or the win percentage, will be first a neural network to classify which possible outcome will occur depending on what's occurred in these first 15 minutes, depending on who's ahead in gold, who's taken more specific objectives, maybe kill score, and which champions are in different states of the game. Regression will also be useful to check if there's any correlations between these different factors. Most of the time, if you have more kills, you can get more space and take more objectives, or you have more gold, you'll be able to spend it on items and be stronger for these team fights. Finally, we can use principal component analysis to figure out which features, depending on gold, objectives, kill score, are most important to determining who will win a game, and those will be the ones that are most important in our data set. Our potential results will aim to be 60% prediction accuracy, as most of our literature is around this area. We also want to be precise and have a high F measure, not just to be accurate. Our results will also help determine teams on what to draft and to have better goals in the first 15 minutes of the game to have the highest chance of winning a game, no matter what state they're in. These are the references, and these are some external documents that we use. Thank you for watching this video.